Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the chart pretty straightforward. And if you were to say, Clay, look, just summarize the price action for me quickly, I would say pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of somebody's basement over in, North Korea. I'm just commenting strictly on the price action. And my definition of a pump and dump is price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it all started. So let's first start by just mapping out where all this began. In my mind, it began right here when it essentially kind of broke out of this area of the chart. It pulled back and then was just struggling around here. So that's kind of the green line, the starting point of where the big move started. So that brings about the second point. Was there even a big move? Well, yeah, I think we can all agree there was a big move when you consider that the price gapped all the way up there. And then even after the gap up, the price moved, and before finally getting, that high. And then the second part of the definition is within a relatively short amount of time. And considering this all happened in the same day, again, I think we can all agree this was a pretty short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So in this case, the price actually closed right there. That is below the green line. So not only did the price go back to where it all started, it literally went a little bit lower. And if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, can the bulls put together an entirely new move? Yes, absolutely. I'm not saying that this chart will never, ever have any more green days. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that, strictly asking about today's price action, what was going on? Yeah, it was just a simple pump and dump from a price action perspective. So pretty straightforward there. Again, yes, the bulls can put something new together. Maybe, you'll get a good solid move tomorrow. But as far as today's price action is concerned, I think the chart speaks for itself in terms of how high the price went and then how quick the price went, even lower than where it all started. So we'll see if tomorrow brings about anything new or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.